Here's how to host your website with Infinity for free. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser and then search for the Infinity Free website. Now click on the first link here. After that, here click on the register now option. After clicking on to this register now option, now here at this form you have to simply enter your details and then click on the sign up option. After clicking on to the sign up option, now it will send you a verification email at your email address. After verifying your account, now here click on the register now option to register your WordPress website with the free hosting. This hosting is free for lifetime and it comes with the 5 GB workspace. After clicking on to the register now option, you have to simply enter your WordPress URL, or you have to enter your domain name to register your website with its hosting. So that's how to host your site with Infinity Free for free.